Well, here's my gas mountain bike completely rebuilt. I paid 20 bucks for it at a garage sale and spent 3 days rebuilding it. I sanded it all down, put 5 coats of black matte, new seat, new handlebars, new rims and tires, new gasket around the sprockets. The motor mounts are nice and solid, and that's what it looks like after driving it for 110 miles. The paint's still nice and clean, nice and shiny. And it doesn't leak a drop of oil. Surprisingly, the muffler usually fills up with 2-stroke oil after short distances, but this one ain't leaking nothing. Doesn't leak any gas, doesn't leak any oil, and it starts up first kick. Here, I'm going to start it up and drive it around. If I can put this camera somewhere. Not sure where to put it, but I'll try. I don't know if you'll be able to see me if I put it there. Maybe if I move it all the way over. You can't see shit there. Here. I'll put it right here. Well, the brakes aren't very good because there's no rear brakes, just front brakes, and they don't grab very good. So I'm thinking of putting a different pair of forks on it with disc brakes because those old brakes suck. Anyways, bye.